time, steady faith, silent resistance. Them try mash up my soul, but your fire keep control. Thunder crack and lightning flash, still I rise from every crash. Them build tower but no foundation, which artwork create vibration. Me no run down gold nor crown, me walk with roots deeper downtown. Like a candle in the storm, me still a glow, even when the cold wind blow. Me nah flicker, me nah bend, shall I carry to the end. Me a flame, small but true, true Babylon me shine through. Like a candle, silent and warm, hold firm in the storm. Them laughing scorn behind mask, but truth don't need no task. It just shine natural and bright, no lie can stand your light. You sit alone under fig tree, reason with soul, feel jar free. And when the whirlwind come your way, me still chant psalms and pray. This little light, me can't hide, it burn no struggle, faith and pride. Me burn incense, me read scroll, just spirit living a high control. Me not loud, me not boast, but my words reach coast to coast. Me no preacher, me no star, me just walk with who I are. Like a candle in the storm, me still a glow, even when the cold wind blow. Me not flicker, me not bend, shall I carry to the end. Me a flame, small but true, true Babylon me shine through. Like a candle, silent and warm, hold firm in the storm. Like a candle in the storm, me still a glow, even when the cold wind blow. Me not flicker, me not bend, shall I carry to the end. Me a flame, small but true, true Babylon me shine through. Like a candle, silent and warm, hold firm in the storm. You come dressed in silk and robe, quote the scripture in every code. Say salvation come if you pay, but the truth can't sell that way. You speak loud from golden seats, but don't know hunger in a street. Tap out heaven with diamond chain, while the people suffer and remain. False prophet, me can't hear you, cannot clearly what you do. Let's see behind all his smile, walks in road with certain style. False prophets step aside, your truth a river can't divide. No walk with wisdom, not with fame, I chant in your name. The man say bow and I will bless, but me say truth don't come from stress. The most high live in humble place, not in vanity or race. Them build church but mash the land, turn blessings into dirty hand. Me not deny the holy part, but truth a walk in wicked craft. Me not follow shiny shoes, me sight too high, forget confused. Them take the mic but can't bring light, your wisdom deep, it not sound hype. Some chant loud but heart stay cold, but the lyrics be the drum of old. The real prophet come meek and wise, not on stage but on the skies. False prophet, me can't hear you, cannot clearly what you do. Let's see behind all his smile, walks in a road with certain style. False prophets step aside, your truth a river can't divide. No walk with wisdom, not with fame, I chant in your name. Me no need no man feel bless, just give out breath and consciousness. So me chant down lies with no regret, and give thanks for what I not forget. Gonna come with big parade, you walk with those who never fade. So when I'm speaking, try me slave, me trust in love and in love and ancient sea.
We come from zinc fence and broken lane, where tears fall harder than the rain. Me mama cook fire punchy stone pot. Me still remember every lesson she taught. Enough days hungry but we not beg. Me used to run barefoot with leg. No silver spoon, just open flame. But me so strong and heart still same. Me crush a build diamond, that's how we shine. All in a darkness still we climb. From concrete gold the righteous vine. We carry pain but still design. Crush a build diamond, deep in our core we rise again. No we've been poor, the fire test but it make we true. We still stand what we've been through. Babylon past laugh we keep man low. But we bend and twist like river flow. Them lock the gates, we break the fence. My education make more sense. My brethren push cart, my sister sew. My DJ track from I can show. We not ashamed of who we be. Every scar just add to we legacy. Crush a press but it can't crush I. We shine from stone like star in sky. Them think we fall but we multiply. We pour a blessing we testify. Me see go a chain but hollow man. Me wear truth like talisman. Me you them bright like morning sun. Tell them the ghetto are where we from. We crush a build diamond, that's how we shine. On in a darkness still we climb. From concrete gold the righteous vine. We carry pain but still design. We crush a build diamond, deep in our core we rise again. Though we've been poor, the fire test but it make we true. We still stand what we've been through. We not curse where I come from. Ghetto life made me strong. From struggle birth new sound. Reggae lift me off the ground. We built from nothing, stone by stone. Now me carry fire all alone. We shine so bright them can't see. The ghetto made a king in me. Crush a build diamond. Beautiful life made me strong. From struggle birth new sound. Reggae lift me off the ground. We built from nothing, stone by stone. Now me carry fire all alone. Me shine so bright them can't see. The ghetto made a king in me. Crush a build diamond. The beautiful life made me strong. From struggle birth new sound. Reggae lift me off the ground. We built from nothing, stone by stone. Now me carry fire all alone. Irie truth like top but Michael low. Ring it in, though we rise again. Though we been poor. The proud walk on throne, but heart full of iron and bone. They laugh at poor and call them straight, but just say wait, me have me day. Me hear them scoff at we roots, but time reveal the holy fruits. The stone them cast, the one them curse. I go rise first, reverse the verse. The stone that they build and throw away shall rise up and lead one day. Rejected by man, chosen by Jah, stand firm like Zion rock. The stone that the world dismiss, a shine like flame in righteousness. Don't watch face, don't chase fame. Truth alone wage on him. Me know a youth where them call fool, but him read book and him keep cool. Them never see greatness grow, cause they rise deep, slow and low. Me not trust crown or robe, me trust vision from the globe. Them
moon, the sea, the desert calm. Rise of children, Babylon fall. Me see the king in a beggar clothes. Me see the truth where nobody goes. Me chant songs while the empire boasts. The who lost laugh, Jah host. Me hear Bible proofs soon crack. The time reveal the holy fruits. The stone them cast, the one them curse. I go rise first, reverse the verse. The stone that you build and throw away shall rise up and lead one day. Rejected by man, chosen by Jah, stand firm like Zion rock. The stone that the world dismiss, I shine like flame in righteousness. Don't watch face, don't chase fame, truth alone wage and name. The stone that you build and throw away shall rise up and lead one day. Rejected by man, chosen by Jah, stand firm like Zion rock. The stone that the world dismiss, I shine like flame in righteousness. Don't watch face, don't chase fame, truth alone wage and name. A stone of light will read the chain, reveal the sight.